Hi there, and welcome to the Agency Management Playbook. Use this step-by-step playbook and set of premium tools and templates to develop an approach to agency selection, management, and evaluation. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout the step-by-step guide. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step, starting with stage number 1, planning. Here, your first step is to organize your resources, identify goals and objectives, and set and track your budget. In stage number 2, we're going to move into research. And here, your first step is reviewing agency compensation models, gathering background information, protecting your business, and writing a request for proposal. In stage 3, it's about selection. And here, the first step is to evaluate agency candidates. Next, you're going to consider and compare consultants. Then you're going to determine the best compensation model, align goals and strategy with compensation, sign an agreement with an agency, and review negotiation best practices to make that deal the best it can be. In stage 4, you're going to communicate, and you're going to start by discovering agency onboarding best practices, executing an agency onboarding process, sharing your strategic direction, and creative brief. In stage 5, you're going to manage your agency partner. And here, your first step is to manage individual projects, create a high-level status report, evaluate your agency's performance, as well as their compensation. We finish in stage 6 with transition. And here, your first step is to review agency transition best practices, send a termination notice, acquire all assets before departure, organize a transition transfer meeting, and ultimately transfer creative assignments. Remember that you can access all of these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the Agency Management Framework. Succeed with agency management by downloading and leveraging this playbook today.